In our country, before this Ugra Karma civilization, industrialization, people were not so busy. By evening, they were completely free and they used to have early dinner and they used to hear Harikatha, either Ramayana or Mahabharata, go to sleep early, and they used to get up very early in the morning, Brahma Muhurta. So this was system in India. But with the kind of Ugra Karma that has come from the West, Ugra Karma products, Ugra Karma lives. Ugra Karma means those activities which are not required for achieving the purpose of human life. Industrial production, consumerism, so much of consumer goods. Did the society not exist without consumer goods? So basically, you can see the vacuum in the society. The purpose of human life is completely absent in Kali Yuga. Human life, one gets after so many millions of births, going to 84 lakh species of life. Micro germs in your hand, in your palm, will be more than the human population. Such is a rarity of human form of life. So now, only thing is, one has to engage in occupational duty to keep his body and soul together, live a minimalistic life, and chant Hare Krishna. This is a direction for Kali Yuga. The appropriate environment to be created in the human society wherein the person can pursue spiritual life.